Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you the easiest way to earn money from the internet. This website is called TeaserFast. So, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna sign up here. Then you're gonna fill your information. Your username, your email, your password, and you repeat it. And then you do the captcha and then you register. After that, you're gonna log in to your account. Log in. And then the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna download the extension. If you have a Chrome browser, you click here, install. If you have Yandex, you click here. Firefox, here. And then Opera, here is the way how to download it. Now, how this extension works is while you're browsing the internet, you're gonna get ads in here, like small ads. You just need to close them and you start earning money. Look, today I made 126, and withdraw is instant, so you don't wait for your money. Look, I'm gonna show you guys an instant withdraw. Let's withdraw this amount. We click here and it's done. Look guys, I earned so much using this website. I get money every day. Look, this is 12, this is 13 every day. Yes, and there is another way to earn money, and which is you click here tasks and you start doing these tasks. Like, look, I'm gonna do this one. You click here and you watch this video for 15 seconds. Let's wait guys for 15 seconds. Let's just wait. Okay, after that you look for this image. Look, it's right here. I'm gonna click it and then I click this. Okay, now I earn. Let's refresh it. Look guys, it's done. So the website link will be in the description, and to sign up in this website you need a payer account, and that would be in the description too, the link. Or you can withdraw using web money or something like that, as whatever you want. Don't forget guys to subscribe and leave a comment and a like. Thank you.